Thank you. Yeah, so this is epic is a very big story. So when you are given a requirement, and in that particular requirement, you can bring out more than 3 or 4 features from that particular requirement, that requirement becomes an epic because it's quite big. You can't finish everything that is under it. Does that make sense? Then feature is what is not as massive as the epic, but is also as big as the is not as big as the epic. You can deduce some features from it as well. And then the product backlog items are the smaller features, the smaller storage that gets committed into the sprints. So we have the epic, which is the big story. So I've given you guys requirements this night. For Emerald, what do you think your epic is from the requirement that I've given to you? Remember, it's a very massive story. You can't come, there are so many things tied into that epic. So what do you think the epic of your requirement is? Just see anything that comes to mind. Of course, I'm here to correct anything, anyone.
Site navigation panel.
Yeah, that's one epic. Yeah, that is one. Yes. Write it. Write it.
It's not my screen. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Then add to bottom. Good. Then first to create our feature, right? There's another epic. What other epic do you think we have on this project? What other epic? What other epic? What about the home page? Don't you think it's quite a big story? Because on that home page, we have the header, we have the footer, we have the home page banner. Oh, okay. You guys are not working on home page. Sorry. Sorry. What other epic do we have for you guys? Let's think together. Let's think together. Any other person?
What about the dashboard?
That will go in as a feature because it's still on the side navigation panel. So the side navigation panel, this dashboard is on the side navigation panel. Oh, or it will go in as a the dashboard can go in as a feature because under the dashboard we have some other stories. Yeah, can go in as a feature and can also go in as a product backlog item. But yeah, so what other epic do we have? Where will our become an instructor be? What will it be under? The product backlog item.
Should be under header.
Yeah, it should be under header. So header is a feature on the home page.
And an epic is the home page.
Yeah, epic home page is an epic. So I'll write home page as another epic, and then will it work? Will it work? Yeah, add it to Yeah, click on that button. Don't be afraid. Click on it. You've not added it. All right. So now, how do we create our feature? You don't need, just click out of that, it will disappear. Yeah. So if we go to the plus sign in front of your epic, we have feature. So now, what would be the feature on side navigation panel? So let's say the feature will be, because the thing is, under dashboard is not the only um dashboard is not the only feature that we are creating on the side navigation panel. We have several, but we cannot put all of them as a feature. Oh, wait, we can. So now I want you guys to think about it based on the requirement that I've given to you tonight. What do you, which of the which of the requirement do you think that can be a feature? We've mentioned dashboard. Dashboard is one of them. So which other ones do you think can be a feature?
Announcements, payouts.
Are you sure? Announcement has only one thing under it. Those are product backlog items. Those are product backlog items. So I don't think announcement is a feature. It's a very small, it's a product backlog item.
Yeah, but what you'll be doing on the announcement is massive. Is a bit massive.
No, what you are doing on the announcement is just selecting the course and entering the text field and clicking on send. The one that is massive is add course. That's another big story that is a feature. But what am I telling you though? I'm not helping you to think through this. So yeah, so what other requirement do you think is a feature aside this on the side navigation panel? Why are you not creating the feature? Who is sharing screen, please? Who is sharing their screen?
I am Adeboyega.
Okay. Please create the features that we've mentioned. Just click on save and close. Yeah, you're a fast learner. I like that. Yeah. So what other thing is a feature under the side navigation panel? Okay, I think our side navigation panel is also a feature because it has several even though it's an epic, it's also a feature because it has several icons or several, somebody help me with the English. It has several features under it, right? So yeah, why is everybody quiet? What's going on? Why are we not talking?
But do you think having an epic name side navigation panel and having one of the features as side navigation panel, do you think it's okay?
Do I think? Yes, it is. It's not an issue. You can have the same name for your epic and your feature. So as long as, so the point of having an epic is because it's quite big. So there is no add or fast route to this. but you have, so for the epic, on the epic side is not, you are saying, okay, this is a very big story that I cannot complete, but as a feature you are saying, okay, it has several other PBIs that can come out of it. Remember, epic is a very big story that is broken down into feature, and then the feature is broken down into product backlog items. So now the product backlog items that will be under that feature called site navigation panel will be all those ones that I've told you tonight, from the dashboard to the last one I mentioned. And then you are going to write stories on each of them. However, for the ones that are features, like the dashboard again, that is a feature. So you are going to create all the stories that are on that dashboard because they have PBIs that can come out of them. So an epic, I mean, there are many times that you can have the same name as the epic and the feature, as long as you understand what you are trying to achieve, if that makes sense. Does that make sense to you?
Yeah. I get it.
Okay, now you need to create your product backlog item. I was told to leave you to do this by yourself, but I'm just trying to show you what you're supposed to do. Yeah. So you click on that and create all the product backlog items that is supposed to be under it. You guys should help him now. Don't leave him to himself. Payout is one word. There's no hyphen.
He's doing a good job, no mistake.
Yeah, but like, just call it for him, encourage him. What are the other features? Tell him so he's not alone.
You're not alone, brother. Keep doing,
It's not the only one. It's not
I
the only one.
guess I'm right?
I don't know. Your teammates will.
Okay, this one is it. Which other
Yeah,
one?
but you still have to remember. Here's the thing. Don't get it twisted. So when you are doing the feature for site navigation panel, you have to list all the features that are under the site navigation panel. I'm going to write a story. The reason why those two are actually epics on their own is because there are several stories that can come out of them.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you are going to, when you are talking about the site navigation panel, you are going to explain everything that is supposed to be under the site navigation panel. And then you then take it one after the other. Dashboard is quite big, and add course is another very big story because there are many things. I don't even know if that one is just going to be one sprint on its own. It's a very big story. Very, very big. But yeah,
So
that's it.
from what you're saying, it means that he has not finished adding the features in the epic.
I have not finished adding the product backlog to the feature site navigation panel. Product backlog items are the smaller stories, that they are the smaller bits that you are working on for that particular feature.
But according to the project you gave us, these three are going to be they are going to be the product backlog for this site navigation panel.
Are you sure? Is that the only feature that is on the site navigation panel?
Yeah, you gave us 5, and we've used 2 of them as the feature.
Okay. Did anybody get what I said earlier, so that I'm sure that I'm not just rambling? Like, can somebody explain what I said earlier about the feature site navigation panel? Anybody that got it at all?
Yeah, I think you said the
Okay.
feature it's that the feature can also have the same name as the epic.
Okay, I'm talking about the feature side navigation panel. What is like when I said the feature side navigation panel, what did I say about it about all the features under the side navigation panel?
Sorry to disturb. Sorry, I'm so
You said
sorry.
they are smaller tasks.
Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Taiwo. Hold on.
Yes.
Hold on. Just let Bolu continue. We'll get you back to your room.
All right. Thank you.
Okay.
Hold on. Oh, 1 minute. 1 minute. Are you not done?
We are done because we were waiting for people and we're just using this opportunity to go ahead and just start creating the epic features and PBIs.
Okay.
But
Are you not done as well?
if everybody is back, we are good. Oh, okay.
DAs are not done. DAs are not done.
We are not done. We are supposed to be done by 11. We are not
Oh,
done.
okay.
Masters are not done also.
Then we are not done then.
Okay.
Let's continue, please.
Okay. So what is going to happen? We'll start the meeting again. So for the next half an hour, maybe everyone can go back to the meeting. So maybe the QA also can go as well. So that's fine. So we'll just restart the meeting again. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone. Okay. All right. Before we go, any question, please? Any question or feedback from the meetings that you had? Any question? We got, I think even we only got 2 minutes anyway. Okay. All right. Tomorrow we
DJ, the Scrum Masters, we have one topic to go, but we're not doing it tonight. We've agreed that we're going to move it to another day to do, because we actually have 4 topics for tonight. We realized it was 4 topics for tonight, but we've been able to do 3, and then the other one remaining, we'll move it to another day to do it.
Okay. All right, that's fine. So tomorrow is going to be a general group. Tomorrow after the stand-up, we have team charter. All right. So where we're going to talk about, the team charter, how is it done? So there'll be a session on that.